Good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 5 from verse 12 to verse 16. The man with skin fussy. One time when Jesus did in a one town, one man come to him where have one sickness we making skin fussy. When he see Jesus, he go down upon him knee, put him face a ground and beg him say, Lord, if you want to cure me and make me clean, you have the power to do it. Jesus put out him hand, touch the man and say, "Me want you to get clean. Go on, you better now." And same time the man's skin get better. Jesus tell him not to tell nobody. Him say, just go and go show yourself to the priest and carry the sacrifice when Moses last say you forget when your skin get better. That will show everybody so you get clean. But news about Jesus spread more and crowd of people come to hear him and to get cure from their sickness. But whole heap of time, Jesus go away at one place where he could have stand by himself and pray. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.